Dear children, good morning to all of you. Today I want to teach you here for class 11th, chapter 5, The Healing Planet, The Green Movement Rule. This chapter is written by Nani Palkiwala. The writer is talking about here the green movement. The man has entered in machines and he is trying to talk about the plants, human beings and other things. He is talking about a scientist. His name was Copernicus, who taught mankind in the 16th century that the earth and the other planets revolved around the sun. Here he talked about that the earth and other planets moved around the sun. For the first time in the human history, there is growing consciousness. There is growing worldwide consciousness that the earth itself is a living organism. He said that in the history of human in human history, he said that earth is also a living being and it is very large, an enormous being of which we are parts, and it is very huge and we are its part. Itself is a living organism, so but it has its own metabolic needs and vital processes which need to be respected and preserved, and it is necessary for the earth to protect it and preserve it. Here the Copernicus had told. The earth's vital signs reveal emissions in declining health. The earth's vital signs reveal a patient in declining healing. We have begun to realize our ethical obligations. We have begun to experience our moral duties to be good for the earth, and we should behave like caretakers of the planets and responsible trustees of legacy for the future generation. Here the writer is talking about for the human beings that they should take care of the earth. They should behave with the earth like caretakers, like those caretakers who take care of the planets, and they should have the responsibility for the future generation for the protection of it. The concept of sustainable development was popularized in 1987 by the World Commission on Environment and Development. The concept idea of sustainable development supports of progress was popularized in 1987, became famous in 1987 by the World Commission of Environment and Development. It is in its report of defined the idea as a development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs. Here the writer is talking about the human beings, that how the development should be done. People should take care of the future, and the development should be done to take care of the future generation, either without stripping the natural world of the resources future generation would need. Here the writer says that without or the writer says that without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs, that is, without stripping the natural world of the means, people will destroy the natural development of the resources of the future generations if they would not take care of the earth and its planets parts. Thank you. Here is the question of CW which I want to ask with you. What is the thing that reveals a patient in declining health? What is the green movement? Third question is, what is the holistic and ecological view of the world? Thank you. It were the questions.